Welcome to the Distant Forces Video Lab. If you have not completed the pre-lab review question, pause the video and complete it now. When you're ready, start the video again. For demonstration number 1, we'll be looking at how iron fillings behave when exposed to a magnet or magnets. As you can see in this first example, I'm using one magnet, and I've labeled the north and the south ends. I'm going to get it lined up as best as I can on top of the magnet. And then I'm going to take the iron fillings and I'm just going to sprinkle it around and see what happens. Pause the video so you can complete your sketch and explain your observations. When you're ready, start the video again. For the next example, I'm going to use two magnets, and notice how the magnets are aligned with each other. Same process, I'm going to sprinkle my iron fillings around, and I didn't quite get my paper completely lined up, but you can make your observations. Pause the video so you can complete your sketch and explain your observations, and when you're ready, start the video again. In the next example, I'm using two magnets again, but notice the positioning of the two magnets. Pause the video to complete your sketch and explain your observations, and when you're ready, start the video again. Demonstration 2 is going to be a little bit different. I have this gel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to flatten this gel out like a pancake, as flat as I can get it, and then I'm going to sprinkle the iron fillings inside of it, roll it up, smash it all together, and see what happens. But before you continue on, you need to pause the video and complete the prediction question on your lab report first. After you complete the prediction, start the video again. All right, so here we go. I'm getting the gel out of the container, and it is very squishy, as you can see, getting it out of the container. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flatten it out as a pancake, as flat as I can get it. And once I get it all flattened out, I'll add the iron fillings to it. All right, so now I'm going to add the iron fillings to it, and I'm just going to sprinkle it all around and cover the top of it so it's nice and thick. And now I'm ready to start rolling. So I'm just going to roll it up. And then once I get it rolled, I'm just going to start mashing and squeezing and getting it all nice and mixed up inside of that gel. And then we'll be ready to test it with the magnet. All right, I've got my gel and iron fillings blob ready. I'm going to get my magnet out of the container. And let's see what happens. So now it's time to pause the video and complete the question on your lab report. When you're ready, start the video again. Demonstration 3 will be looking at electrical fields. So here's what I've got. On the left is our positively charged, on the right negatively charged. And what I'm going to do is just add negative charges, and your job is to observe and see how the electrical fields change. Pause the video and complete the question for demonstration 3 on your lab report. When you're ready, start the video again. Demonstration number 4, we're going to get a look at John Travoltage demonstrating his dance moves and showing us some relationships between distance and the electric field. If you look at your lab report, the position of his hand in relation to the doorknob is what we'll be observing as he, quote, quote, dances. There will be 3 positions, as I'm showing you here. And then dancing will be a swipe of his foot. Take a look at your lab report. Before you can start, you need to predict the number of dance moves before he gets shocked by the doorknob. A dance move is 1 swipe of the foot. Swipe forward is 1, swipe back is 2. So predict for each of the 3 hand positions how many dance moves it will take before he gets shocked. Pause the video, make your predictions, and when you're ready, start the video again. This is the hand up position. Pause the video if you need to record your number or watch the video again. When you're ready, start the video again. Next is the hand halfway to the doorknob. Pause the video if you need to record your number or watch the video again. When you're ready, start the video again. And last we have hand closest to the doorknob. And now it's time to complete your lab report. Good luck, and remember, may the distant forces be with you.